A burping contest, yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Where is Josie in here?
Yeah, somewhere in
We're
there.
videotaping our burping contest. Okay, we're going to bed. I want you guys to...
Good job. That's my mommy.
That was our burping contest. I want you guys to, That's not fair. I want you guys to not, like, be screaming and being weirdos. It's hard. I'm used to being weird. I'm not against spanking butts.
Neither is my dad.
No, seriously, we have to get
Stop coming up!
Listen. You're dying.
Okay, give me order.
Anyway, you dyed your hair. Thanks, why?
No, it's just that it's all put together so it looks really, really dark. But, when I'm in the sun, it's dark brown with red in it.
Okay, Missy. Don't blow your responsibility.
Yeah.
If I have to come out and tell you to be quiet, there'll be only one time.
That's beautiful.
Because I still have to get up really early and go to work.
Me too. I have to be at work at 8 tomorrow.
I have to work at 6, as usual.
Nick.
Why do you get up at 3? Or 4?
Where's my phone?
4.
It's on the
So I can
charger.
lay there till 4:30 and then get up and shower and go, okay, I gotta go let the dogs out for an hour.
You do? No wonder why they're like not in a big hurry.
Oh no, I let them out anymore.
Blair, where's the other charger?
I have no clue.
Honey,
But I have all day to
Huh?
charge my
drawer,
phone.
right there.
That explains it.
I didn't even know we had a drawer there.
Are you
I'm
serious?
trying to clean the counter off.
Oh. Okay, Blair, here's the charger.
Yeah, no, I have all day to charge my phone. Get back.
What?
Water my fountain.
Okay.
I'm done.
The rules tomorrow, girls. No street walking. No boys. In my house.
Mom.
If you let the dogs out, you have to watch them.
Mom.
Like a hawk.
Well, Titus should be home sometime in the morning.
Yeah. But you have to watch them like a hawk.
Mom.
Blair, I'm talking to you specifically because remember you lost them? Remember?
Yeah. They ran off and they came back.